this on. Oh yeah. Hello guys. Today I'm going to play a random cat game. Right? Okay. If you love cats, please subscribe. Hey Saya, I found a green reaper cat. You want to know how? No. Do you want to know how I got the green reaper cat? Okay, I'll teach you. Okay, excuse me, Mr. Dude. Okay, except pick up this apple. I'm not going to keep the doctor away, so I'm just going to keep going. Push this button! Only smoke! Hey Kuya. And I'm giving the apple and then you just put it in the doctor. That's you just away. Give me the apple. Okay, now push this button. So if you want, hold on. If you want to get the green reaper cat, go to this random cafeteria. And of course, I gotta hide first. See if I get me. Okay, I'm a. Oh God! Bro, he's confused like how. So where's that place? Where is it? Where in the heck is it? Where? Oh, this one. So I come right here and go right here. This is how you save the cat. I already saved him, so. Anyway, you guys keep playing this game because I like this game. World's funnest cat game. Yeah, that was free charge, so you can play, right? Saya, do you want to be like a green reaper?
Thanks. I don't like greenkeeper's cat.
What? Greenkeeper?
Yeah, look at Mama did.
Come up here.
No.
Click this button. Hey! Get me over there! Oh, by the way, go jump there. Click this button. And in the first place when I come here, I really don't know, but I know. I'm just gonna go jump in this arcade. I never play arcades. I only play the claw machine, and I hate it. I rage so much. Yeah. Got the key. Gotta get the key. I locked the door. I locked the door. I'm going to this door. You might think there's nothing in here, but okay, right there. Yeah. That thing is like different. There's just a cat. Wow. Bye. So if you want to open that door, push this thing and continue hiding until this guy goes away. And then when you keep pushing, keep busting, keep pushing. These are NPCs. They don't know if you hide. Keep pushing. Push. Hurry up! Why aren't you going? Okay. Go. This is a hobby. Of course, there's nothing in there. I already saved them. Wait. I so need to know how to get the socks for one. Okay. Can't catch me, I'm too fast. Something to do with the TV, like a man of the adventure. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Holy smokes. Oh, button press. Oh no, 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 no. By the way, what's up there? Oh, let me get up there. I'm a parkour pro. No! This game is so rigged. No! So what's over here? Okay. What do? What's in there? Bro, what is... I'm gonna be this end, so goodbye.